Good morning, traders. It's Friday, the 23rd of October, and it's Richard Miller here doing an artificial intelligence trading update on the NASDAQ 100. So I fired up the AI algorithm, and the artificial intelligence has now looked at the NASDAQ 100, looked for shares that are, that's fired some AI signals, buy and sells. And on the screen here, in the interest of time, I didn't load the whole screen from scratch because it takes a few minutes to run and for the AI to work its magic. So the end result here is that we've got shares that are in a long here. This column here gives you quite a lot of shares: Activision, American Airlines, Analog Devices, 8DB, Baidu. All these are Dexcon there as well. All these are currently long positions in the AI, or the algorithm fired. These are long trades. But also you can see when the signal fired. These are bars, 27 bars ago, 70 bars ago. So some of these trades have been, the AI has been long these trades for quite some time. So in order to find more recent AI trade ideas, I sought this column, and I can see, yeah, Fox Corporation came through with an interesting AI signal. There's a major reversal due for Fox Corporation, A and B shares as well. If we look at the chart there, it would take a while to load sometimes, a lot of information. There we go, and the AI there, a major reversal, so it's signaling a major reversal. Marriott International, another one that's also signaling a major reversal. And there we have a swing trade there in the DocuSign, actually, interestingly enough, one of my favorite ones to trade. Actually a short signal there. You can see this column in a short. There's interesting. So you can see there are some longs and shorts, 3 bars in this trade. Let's look for another long. This one, Expedia, in a long, and that long is 3 bars ago. So you can see literally we ran the scan. If you were running it yesterday, the day before, whoops, we had a nice little pop there. So you can see there's quite a lot of trades in the NASDAQ. 48 trades, positions out, 60 rejected where there's no AI signal available. But this is how you run your scan. Run the screen on the NASDAQ 100, run the AI, then sort the columns, look for in longs or in shorts. If we click that one, we can see which ones are in longs. We can also see how long the trade has been, 27 bars. So Activision, Blizzard, you can see fantastic performance there. You can see volatility breakout. There's the stop loss optimized. American Airlines, oddly enough, airlines is not something I would generally buy, but the AI thinks it's time to buy. This artificial intelligence must be very brave to go and be buying an airline stock. But nevertheless, from a recovery point of view, the AI thinks there is, from the analysis the AI has done, it's got a volatility breakout on American Airlines. Analog Devices, the other one that's in a long, and this long's been in there for, let me just get these lines moved so I can see how many bars. 27 bars. So you can see there, swing trade worked out very well. Stop loss has moved up to that level there now, 118, and then still in a long there. ADP, 53 days in this trade. You can see there, stop loss moved up. Baidu, 46 days in this trading days in this trade. Swing trade, stop loss has moved higher. So far so good. Biopharma, 28 days in this trade. Swing trade, you can see there, fantastic swing trade there. Broadcom, interestingly enough, there is a well, this is a fantastic one. I just want to see this. You can see, yeah, we had a huge volatility breakout, huge move up. There were a few failed breakouts, but there was a very volatile session, and then off it goes. Tremendous performance there, 151 days in this trade. Cerner, also a good performing one. You can see volatility breakout, swing trade, and there's your stop loss. So that's how you go through these names. Dexcon, there's in a long. Dexcon is the diabetes treatment technology company. There we go. Huge volatility breakout, still in a long, and then the stop loss is volatility adjusted, so that's a nice one. Also keep that one on your radar screen. Electronic Arts, 31 days in the trade, and we can see, let's just see this one. Takes a second to load. Fantastic. We can see here that we had a huge move, volatility breakout here back in the March low. Huge rally. The AI updates the stop losses as we go along, and there, bam, got stopped out there. Bang, back in with a new volatility trade, and there's the new stop loss. So fantastic, two beautiful trades the last 6 months in Electronic Arts. So that's worked out well. So there's quite a lot. I don't want to go through all of them. You just load the software, run the screen on the NASDAQ 100, look for the in long positions, and then sort by the bars to find out which ones are the most recent trade. Monster Beverages here is actually in a short from this column. We can see there in a short. Monster Beverages there. Oh, that's interesting. So the short there. So it had a huge long, and now the AI thinks that it's time to go down. NetEase is in a long. They're 5 bars into the trade. So there's still some opportunity to trade that one. NetEase, 5 bars into the trade. Fantastic swing trade opportunity there in NetEase. Cognizant Solutions, another one that's in the trade. Volatility breakout, quick move here, then another volatility breakout, and we have a nice rally in the stock. Gilead, let's have a look at that one. Yeah, in a long swing trade, couple of failed swing trades here, but interesting. That's the stop loss. It's still getting close to the stop loss, but there's still opportunity for Gilead to come through and do a swing trade. But that's 16 days, 16 bars into the trade. So once again, if you wanted to find trade ideas, load the NASDAQ 100 screen, pick the AI algo, Fulgent AI, and then you can go and sort by the amount of bars, recent trades, to see which ones are most recent. And you can also go and see at the performance, NXP, long semiconductor, that's one of the longest trades. Hugely successful trade, AI trade here on NXP. There we go. Volatility breakout, huge move since the $60 low, and literally 100 and something percent, 100% gain on NXP. Fantastic performance there. Okay. If anybody wants more information, just go to metastock.com/alphaharvestf, and you can get access to an artificial intelligence algorithm there. If I click on the link, that's the landing page, Fulgent AI, and that your promo code is AlphaHarvestF. Until next time, happy AI trading!